Professor Changdev Mane. I am working as an assistant professor at Sadguru College of Agriculture, Merezgaon, district Ahmednagar. Today we discuss about the livestock breeding and nutrition. In this course, you have to study the composition of plant and animal body. In that, the plant body, the food of the farm animals consists of plant and plant byproducts. Animals depend upon plant for their existence, and hence the study of animal nutrition must begin with the plant itself. Plants are able to synthesize complex material from simple substances such as carbon dioxide from the air and water and inorganic element from the soils. The most component of the composition of plant, that is the water, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and ash, as well as mineral matter. Composition of plant, the chemical composition of the plants and their byproducts show much larger difference in the composition with animal body. It is affected by the soil composition, manures, fertilizer application, irrigation, seasonal variation, stage of growth, frequency of cutting, variety and strength. The first part of the composition of the plant body, that is water, it is the main component of the plant which act as a medium for absorbing the nutrients from soil for plant growth. As the plant matures, the water content of the plant decreases and seeds are formed. Green succulent fodder contains 70 to 80% water, while dry fodder contains 10 to 15% water, and concentrate feed contains 8 to 10% of water. Next point, that is carbohydrate. It is the principal constituent of the plant. Cellulose, hemicellulose serve as a structural element for the plant bodies. Carbohydrate constitute 65% of the dry weight of the plant body. The cell wall of plant cell composed of cellulose. Starch is the major storage form of the carbohydrate in plants. Plant seeds are rich in starch. Then protein are the major nitrogen containing compounds present in the plant. It is the constituent of the active tissues, and hence the leaves, the rich in protein content, are leguminous is greater. Green fodder, the young plants contain more protein while it decreases with maturity. Next, the fat is also higher in leaves as compared to stem, and generally highest in the seeds. The lipid content of the living plant is relatively low. The mineral matter content of the plant is highly variable. Legumes are always rich in calcium. The seeds are rich in phosphorus and low in calcium. The composition of the animal body. In the animal body, first point, that is water. Water is the principal constituent of the animal body, and over 50% of the body weight consists of water. Many animal tissue contains 70 to 90% water. The animal embryo contains 95% water, which decreases in birth to 75%. Adult animal body may contain little as a 50 to 60% water. Very fatty animals may contain only 43% water in the animal body. Next one, carbohydrate. It is the less than body size. Because of the carbohydrate are metabolized at a very rapid rate for energy production in the body, and this account for the small amount, but carbohydrate have very vital role in body physiology. Next one, protein. Protein are present in the every cells, are known as building blocks of the animal body. They are major constituents of the muscles, tendons and connective tissue. The wall of animals is composed of proteins. Protein are the constituent of antibodies, hormones and enzymes of the animal body. Next, fat. Most of the fat is localized In the adipose tissues or fat deposits which occur under the skin, around the intestine, around the kidneys and other organs. It is also present in the muscles, bones, elsewhere. Animal body fat content depends upon the level of feeding. Minerals. Animal body contain 3 to 5% mineral matter. Depending upon factors like age, conditions, species, physiological status of the animals. More than 98% of the calcium present in the bones and teeth as a phosphate and hydroxide. The phosphorus amount for approximately 85% of the body supply, which found the skeleton, and iron and copper are essential constituents of hemoglobin of the blood. Next one, magnesium is present in the bones. Sulfur occur as a part of protein molecules. Zn is the constitutes of many enzymes in the animal body. This thus major difference in the composition of the plant and animal body is higher carbohydrate in the plant. Thank you.